tense and stressed out. 105.1 The Buzz. Daria, Mitch, and Ted here.
Normally here we would have Dr. Workman, who's out there somewhere.
He's in traffic or something.
Hi, Doc.
Is he en route? Okay, so you'd be on right now if you managed your time better, Doc. He's listening in his car. We have a buddy of his.
Yeah, Dr.
in
Dan
studio.
Miller.
Dr. Miller, welcome. Can we call you Dan, though?
Oh,
'Cause that'd be hard.
Yep,
Scoot
Dan.
up so you're pretty close to the mic.
Yep,
'Cause
Dr. Dan.
For some
Perfect.
reason, Dr. Dan.
Dr. Dan.
Got it.
So, Dan and I have been like kind of figuring out where we know each other because I have met his wife on a couple occasions.
Yeah.
She's just like a cute little number, and we go to the same salon.
Oh, cool.
But I think that Dr. Dan and I have friends in common, so we're just kind of trying to. But this is Portland too,
Yeah.
so
He looks so familiar, doesn't he?
I
I met him one
know.
time in the parking lot a while back, but I feel like I know you from
Yeah,
somewhere.
you have that quality that you know somebody already.
have you done TV commercials?
I've never done a TV commercial that I know of. Maybe been on the news before.
You
but
may be the most handsome dentist I've ever
what?
met.
Yeah, he's a good-looking guy.
You're a fine-looking fella.
Thanks.
Do you? How old are you?
I am 32 years young.
I'm a
Oh,
failure.
my God.
I'm
Oh, my
a
God.
failure.
He could be your son.
That's not.
Oh, no, he couldn't.
Yes, he
Yes,
could.
he could.
Oh my God, he could be your son. Your son could be a dentist.
If he adopted a son at
No,
16.
no,
that's right.
sorry.
You'd think.
No. I was
Well,
a reach. Sorry
old-fashioned
about
way.
If
that.
I did have a son, he better be a doctor
That's
of some
right.
form.
That's
all I'm
right. He's
saying.
going to take care of you in your old age. So, your practice is Dr. Stafford's, who we met some while back. Cosmetic dentistry and regular dentistry, and like making your smile super gorgeous.
Right.
He's still working, but you sort of took over the. How did it work? What happened?
Yeah, correct. So I'm actually Dr. Stafford's dentist, and so we have actually had similar practices, really close in proximity to each other.
Dentists
So-
can't do their own teeth?
Well, I think
I totally would.
There was
I
a
would too.
movie.
I
There was a
kinda
movie
do.
where a guy did that. and
Yeah,
it did-
it's a Mr. Bean sketch.
Yes. I don't think you're supposed to do that.
No.
So
Well,
it doesn't
you'd be the one we
prove-
would ask, so
Yeah.
I hope you're sure.
So it was perfect. So we had been talking for a little while, and he was at a good spot where we just decided to bring everything together, and it's been really great. So we've been doing it now for it's been about a 6-month process or so, getting it all together.
Why are
and
you
now-
going to change the name?
So it's called Valley Dental Works. Is the
Valley
name.
Dental Works.
You're in Happy
Yep.
Valley.
Yep, Happy Valley, right off Sunnyside Road by the New Seasons out there.
It's a beautiful
sure.
practice. I've been down there a couple times. Total state of
Because
the art.
Derek goes there.
Derek is a patient. He's going to have veneers eventually. He's in the braces stage, but he's looking forward to having the smile he's always dreamt of. You can use that. too.
Exactly.
You probably already used
Trademark.
it.
Oh,
Yes.
you got it.
So the reason that Dr. Dan is on board and with us today and going to be with Michael Workman is because he's part of this trio now of, you'll hear us sometimes on the air talking about or promoting the 3 Doctors, 1 Goal seminars that happen occasionally. And that is sort of like this superhero team of fixing how you look.
Yeah.
And it's just easier than having separate seminars to just kind of encompass everything,
Yep.
face, smile, body. And this latest seminar is going to happen tomorrow night. Usually they're at 6:30,
That's
I think.
right.
Yeah.
You got it.
And it's going to be at Aqua Riva restaurant, which is
Ooh,
gorgeous.
it is
It's
beautiful.
on the
Great
waterfront.
Yep, right around the corner from us if you know where we are.
I recommend their brunches. I don't know if they're still doing the make your own
Bloody Mary.
Make your own Bloody Mary and make your own mimosas they did for a while.
Oh,
and it's a
my.
really, 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 really
Why
good
aren't we there
idea.
every Sunday?
It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
So this is free. The seminars are always free, but it's limited space. There's a bit of space here at this restaurant, but you do have to register a spot in case it gets too crowded.
It's at 3doctors1goal.com, I
Yeah,
believe.
and they have like snacks, and they have a lot of free certificates and
Yeah.
coupons and free things to go towards plastic or cosmetic surgery. So it's not only an informational deal, it's also just like a really good deal.
Yeah.
Economic.
And so each of the doctors, they give a presentation, and then it's like
Yep.
a Q&A?
Yes.
Yeah.
Exactly right. So Dr. Workman brings in some of his like his cool sculpting. Sculpting.
Yep.
He had that last time. That was
Yep,
great.
we've talked about that.
Yeah, that was really neat. And Dr. Chan and then Dr. Stafford and myself also will talk a little bit. Amazing food. I think there's an open bar there.
I was trying to figure out
Open
like
bar?
what would you have done, but you
What?
have a
What?
really.
Get back to the open
You
bar.
guys
There's
have been
always stuff to
burying the
do.
lead.
I don't know 100% that it's free.
Okay, all right. The bar?
It might be. Do you think it is? We can't promote that and then have everybody show up and be like, I shan't be
That's a
paying because
really
of Dr. Dan.
good point. If Dr. Workman was here, he'd be able to tell us right now.
He would know.
I know that the time.
Very
I'm
good.
just like, I'm thinking, trying to remember back if I paid, and I'm going to be really indignant if I did.
That's perfect. But yeah, lots of raffle prize. I mean, not raffle. I mean, you get like raffle tickets, and we give away tons of things. We give away a bunch of cosmetic, dentistry things, free whitening kits, all these kind of really neat stuff. I also, Dr. Chan, Dr. Workman, at their offices, they give away a bunch of gift certificates for free services. It's fantastic.
Awesome.
Did you wear braces as a kid?
I did.
You have
I did.
really good teeth.
I did. Yep.
Perfect.
It was a process, but I'm glad I did it. And yeah, I mean, a smile is everything. I mean, people
sucked
notice
my
a good
thumb till
smile.
I was 12.
Yeah.
And what you call orally fixated.
Oh.
And so I sucked my thumb until I was 12 years old. My parents tried everything. They tried that nasty stuff you paint on the thumb.
That didn't slow you down.
No, you just suck it off and then go to
Yeah.
town.
Yeah.
Or they tried this elaborate shut up. Like this duct or masking tape thing where they would put a little on and then they would make like a ridge and then move it and then make a ridge.
Yeah.
You just, if you suck over it for a while, it gets wet, you slide it off, you suck your thumb.
Brilliant.
And then all you have to do is remember to slide it back on in the morning. Like there was nothing they could do that I
Winning.
couldn't find a way to overcome. But consequently, my two front teeth, instead of pointing together like this, pointed straight out. You could put a thumb between my two teeth.
Gotcha. Like a straw, just straight through.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
So I'm not trying to brag, but
It's a bit of a... it's a talent.
My orthodontist had his work cut out
did.
for
You
him.
did a great job, though.
He
It's
did,
like-
because you have a great smile.
What has changed? Is there anything like recent that you're excited about in terms of whitening? I had my teeth whitened once in the past, a long time ago. And I thought it was great, and I noticed a difference immediately. And then driving home, I felt as if suddenly that by breathing in,
Oh, no.
a million
yeah.
hypodermic needles were sticking me in every portion of my
Yikes.
gums.
Absolutely. That's exactly what a lot of people get. In fact, people get that with Crest White Strips or a lot of different products. Well, the new stuff out does not dehydrate your teeth, which is what you got. And when you have dehydrated teeth, all things that you have are sensitive. Breathing,
Oh.
water, anything you have. Well, the new stuff that's out, we have a product called Glow that we offer around practice, and Glow does not dehydrate your teeth. It's incredibly effective. We have a home kit that you can do, and in about 5 days, it's 5 shades lighter, and then you keep that kit, no messy impressions, nothing like that.
It's not painful?
No, it takes 30 minutes a day, no pain. My most sensitive patients that have told me I've tried everything, we put on this and they say, oh my gosh, this is amazing. They buy one for their mom or for their spouse. It's awesome. And then we have an in-office version too that we can do. And in an hour, we can do the exact same effect.
Now you're talking.
I know.
I just
An
like to
hour.
point out that I didn't even know this.
No, you didn't.
And that was a great lead-in story.
And we're giving away free glow kits tomorrow.
Boom.
Seminar.
So you are?
Yep.
Oh, am I going?
Yeah.
Oh,
Did you
I
bring-
hear there may or may not be open bar.
Did you bring one with you? Check out 3doctors1goal.com to register for this and to find out more information.
Yep.
And we're going to be hearing more from you, I hope.
Yeah,
You're
absolutely.
going to come back
Thank
and,
you.
and be with us on a regular basis?
I will. I'll be here hopefully next week if I get the invite.
We'll let you know.
Okay.
We'll get back to you.
Auditioning.
What's your website?
ValleyDentalWorks.com.
Excellent. I'm a fan.
Yeah, we're a fan.
Thank you guys. It's awesome. You guys are great.
We'll be back right after this.
Don't move.